Hey guys, computertastic here with another unboxing. This one is the Lenovo Yoga 720. I just bought this from Best Buy for $1,400, and I feel like I got a good deal. So let's get into this unboxing. I'm gonna check and get all this tape off. Sorry, got scissors. Okay, and inside this box is another box covered with foam. Fancy box too. I kind of do like this box. Looks really sharp and professional. And it's obviously wrapped in their holographic logo, so you know it's an official Lenovo product. And it's definitely wrapped in plastic, so I gotta cut all this plastic off here. Then we got scissors. And there's the box without the plastic. So I'll try to get this, and it looks like a piece of tape. There we go. And take the laptop out, which is wrapped in a really nice fabric. And then right here, we have more boxes. Must be where all the components are. Really nice packaging, by the way, Lenovo. Got several boxes here. This box has the power cord. Nothing too fancy about that, just a regular old cord. And this would be instruction booklets. Don't need those, just set this to the side. And then we got the actual AC adapter. Definitely a lot bulkier than my ThinkPad Yoga, but definitely a really good power supply. This is a very powerful computer, by the way. It has an i7 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card, so definitely worth the money. Here's the laptop itself, made out of aluminum. Very stable, high quality product, I can tell. And it's protected by a piece of foam. You even got the fingerprint reader, the keyboard. And remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Again, Computertastic.